Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And so the purpose of this video is to give small business owners in the Chesapeake, Virginia area some tips and tricks to consider when writing a business plan. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, I am going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we're then going to go ahead and talk about some tips and tricks for writing the business plan for Chesapeake area business owners. Please keep in mind, I am not in Chesapeake, Virginia. However, I do offer services for writing business plans and strategic plans for small businesses in that area. With that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation that I've got designed for your viewing and listening pleasure. So again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer, as well as a strategic plan writer. So if y'all do want some assistance in writing your business plan, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to do it. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. I've got several books out there focused on business plan writing. Pick it up, check it out, and enjoy. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor in business as well as finance. So if y'all are good to go with your business plan, your strategic plan's even better. But by golly, your Proforma financial projections, they're just having some, they just need a little bit of polish, or they need construction and then polish. Wherever you are with your projections, if you need assistance, I'd be delighted to offer it. All right, with that said, infomercial is done. Let's talk about your business plan for your Chesapeake area businesses. And specifically for this video, what I want to talk about is employee retention. So a lot of business owners right now, because the unemployment rate is so low that people are having difficulty either attracting quality workers or retaining quality workers. So in your business plan, make sure to address the employee retention. You can do it in your company description section under operations, or even put another section in there in your owner and management section with labeled employee retention. But when you put that section in there, you'll make sure to address a couple of issues. First and foremost, make sure to discuss your benefits for your employees and be a little bit creative. Employee retention, when we're trying to keep employees, there's a lot of competition out there. They want our workers who have the skills that we need, and they're trying to get them to go to work for them. So we need to be a little bit creative in the benefits. One of the benefits that is currently trending is to offer employees, to be able to work at home 1 or 2 days a week. Doing that, you're still going to be getting productivity from your employees. Might be a little bit lower, but you're also providing them a better home life work structure, as well as you're saving them the time it's going to take them to drive to the office and drive back, as well as the wear and tear on the vehicle, as well as gas. And gas, we all know is a little bit pricey right now. So a lot of benefits to providing that, and the workplace is really not going to suffer too much for 1 or 2 days. Also, a recent study has been conducted, and they found that approximately 72% of all workers are completely stressed out and burned out. So maybe a creative benefit you can include in your business plan could be stress management. So that's something you can be able to offer, where your other competitors, they haven't thought about being creative with their benefits. They're just more, come work for us, the grass is greener kind of a deal. Next, consider your pay rate as compared to your competitors, and also remember, when you are paying or when you are offering salaries to your new employees or even your current employees, it's always cheaper to retain your employees than to try to recruit employees over and over and over again. So if you can have your turnover way down with your employees, it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run. So you might be able to afford to pay your employees a little bit higher than your competitors. Yeah, you might take a little bit of a hit on the bottom line, but you might not even do that, because with your cost involved of recruiting and interviewing and the time it's going to take to do that, it's usually a lot cheaper to pay your employees more, retain them better, and save your money in recruiting costs. And then finally, upward mobility. When you expand your services, when you expand to new areas, you want to be, well, first, you want to be able to offer your employees upward mobility. Yes, I work exclusively with small business owners, and small business owners, a lot of times they're going to be comfortable with one shop and just growing it from there. However, when you expand your business, not only are you going to be able to increase your profits, but you are also providing your employees with upward mobility, and they're going to be able to move into new positions. So as you grow your business, yes, your profits are going to be increasing, but also you're offering your employees upward mobility, and so that's going to help with your employee retention. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead, sum it up, wrap it up, and call it a day. So in summary, when you are writing up your business plan, make sure to include a section in there focused on employee benefits, and be creative with the benefits. Just don't, just label your healthcare and competitive pay. Those are very vanilla. Throw one or two things in there that's a little bit creative, that's going to say, hey, this business owner, not only do they have a good business plan, but they show creativity and thought into it as well. And then finally, when you are writing a business plan, make sure to work with a proven business plan writer such as myself. I can't think of anything worse is to hire a business plan writer and pay them a bunch of money and then not hear from them for 2 or 3 or 4 months. So work with a proven business plan writer. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. If you want some more information on business plan writing, check out my website right here. And I do also have a web link that is exclusive for Chesapeake area business owners, which is right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.